So I came to Sturgis and realized, building this whole bike, that I didn't have any mirrors. And I had a mirror hole, which I plugged with a screw, but the controls I used are metric. So all the adapters didn't exist. So I figured, well, I guess I'll just take my chances. Hopefully I don't get a ticket. Jason wouldn't let me do that. He modified the bolt that was in there and threaded it so that it could fit one of the mirrors I bought from you guys. And now I'm legal. So he saved the day.
This bike?